in which to ring for the question. If there are no calculations, you have the usual 10 seconds. Best wishes to all schools. First set of questions, 30 seconds. The rate law for a reaction between reactants A and B is given by R is equal to K multiplying the concentration of A squared multiplying the concentration of B cubed. What is the equilibrium constant? Yes, go ahead.
Mole to the power -4 dm to the power 12 second to the power -1.
Again?
Mole to the power -4 dm to
Hello,
the
hello
power
everyone.
12
Welcome to the
second.
stream.
That's incorrect. Did anyone else ring? Okay, so I continue reading. What is the equilibrium constant and its units for a reaction in which the concentration of A is equal to the concentration of B, and this is equal to 0.200 mole per decimeter cubed, and has a rate of 2.00 times 10 raised to the power -4 mole per decimeter cubed second? Yes, Elliot.
6.25 by 10 raised to an exponent of 0 mole to the power -4 dm to the power 12 second to the power -1.
Repeat.
6.25 by 10 raised to an exponent of 0.
That's incorrect. You rang? Yes, Isaac.
So the value is 6.25 times 10 raised to an exponent of -1. And then the unit is mole to the power -4, dm to the power 12, second to the power -1.
You are right.
Nice, nice, nice. Nice.
Next one.
Hello, welcome to the stream.
The
Welcome to the
chimney
stream.
of an industrial
Welcome
plant
to the stream. Say hi.
produces 22% carbon monoxide, 64% sulfur trioxide, and 14% ozone. Determine the mass of 1 mole of the gas mixture.
It's a very difficult chemistry question. Hello, welcome to the stream. Sure to say something in chat. Very much appreciated.
Yes, David?
So it is
Hi, David.
135 grams.
That's
Welcome to the
incorrect.
chat.
Wells rang.
Yeah, that was a difficult chemistry question.
Excel?
Hey, excellent.
64 grams.
You're right.
Wow. You said good, you said.
Next one. When
Welcome to the
rubidium
chat.
carbonate
Type
is
something in the
heated,
comment.
3.74 grams of its oxide is
So this is
formed.
the semi-final of
Determine the
last
mass
year.
of the carbonate
Infancy premium per sec.
heated. Atomic mass for rubidium is 85.5.
Hello,
Yes,
hello, welcome
David.
to the stream. Welcome to the stream.
4
Type a hi in the chat.
Six,
Hi in the chat. So I'd like to
2
see
grams.
You're right.
this one working. Wow. Hi, Vin Kuma. Well done, well done. Welcome to the live stream. How did they train? That's a good question, though. But I think most of these schools have dedicated trainers,
Next
like
set, 10
coaches, if you want to
seconds
say it
each.
that way. They have coaches who train them.
Why
They
do
have like
some
syllabuses,
fruits and
right?
vegetables
So
turn
yeah,
brown
while some
when
schools
they are
will
cut?
say, okay, they just leave them to read, they do have like materials that these
Yes,
contestants
which
read.
of you?
So
Go
most
ahead.
of them they train
So
with
this
dedicated
is
materials,
because
a lot of past
these fruits
questions,
and
but they also have
vegetables, when
dedicated trainers as
cut,
well.
are exposed
Yeah.
to
I hope that
the
answers your questions,
atmosphere
Ivy.
and they are oxidized, that is, they have sugars present in them that are oxidized,
Welcome to
thus
the
changing
stream.
their color
Say
from
something in
white
the
to
chat.
brown.
I'd like to
And
hear
this
from you.
accounts for the change in color of the cut surface of the fruits and vegetables.
I'm not accepting it.
So this is your semi-final contest between Prisek and Infantile from last year. This is the speed
Okay.
race round.
So when fruits and vegetables are cut, the part containing the oxygen reactive enzyme is exposed, leading to browning, also known as enzymatic browning.
Welcome to the stream.
This
Make sure
occurs
you
when
give the stream a like.
the enzymes, example,
And comment something
polyphenol
in the chat
oxidase,
for us so that I can
catechol
see you,
oxidase,
see your name,
they
give
come
a
into
shout out.
contact with oxygen in the air. Okay, so there's an oxidation reaction that produces dark-colored compounds like melanin. When exposed, the enzymes from the cut surface interact with oxygen in the air.
Thank you.
All right, next one.
Okay.
The rib cage is composed of bones and other materials. How is the rib cage flexible in spite of the significant presence of stiff bones?
Interesting. I think generally Prisek is good at biology questions. Is that true? I think something like that. Yeah, no one is going to attempt this. Nobody wants a negative.
Oh. All right, so the true ribs of the rib cage are attached to the sternum by cartilage, which creates
Welcome to the
partially
stream.
movable
Please
joints.
make sure you type something in the chat
Also,
box.
false ribs and
Like to hear
floating
from
ribs
you.
are attached by cartilage to true ribs or to muscles in the abdominal wall, and these allow the rib cage to be flexible to move as a person breathes. Next one.
Okay.
What is the effect of dehydration on the kidneys' function and the resultant appearance of the urine produced?
Interesting. It's a very medical question, by the way. Like very applicable in real life practice. Yeah, it's a tactic. Nobody's going to attempt the biology question because they don't feel like they can explain enough to get a full point. It's tactic. Everybody knows. You must not be surprised.
When the body is dehydrated,
Welcome
the
to the
kidneys
chat. Welcome to the
retain
chat.
more water
Make sure you like the stream
and
then
release
type something in the
less
chat
water
box.
into
I'd
the
like to hear
urine.
from you. I'd like to
This causes the urine to
give you a
appear
shout out.
darker and more concentrated than normal. I'm sure
By
you're
the way, how's
familiar
my
with this.
audio? How's the audio like?
Yeah. See, you could have answered this one. But our contestants, they are strategizing. So
Exactly.
they didn't want to attempt it.
Yeah, every man knows
All right.
that. Even the Christian stress knows that.
Next set, 30 seconds each. First one. If the equation y is equal to a multiplied by b raised to the power x is reduced to linear form, v is equal to mu plus c, where m, c are constants and v and u are variables, find v.
Nice. Who's that?
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, was it? Hey, you said it too.
Okay.
Wow.
Aslam.
V is equal
To
to
the expression.
x log b
Hello.
plus log
Tete, welcome to the
where
live stream. The
x is
champion,
equal
do you know
to
when this
m.
year's balloting and prelims
That's incorrect.
starts?
Did anyone
Yeah,
else
so
ring?
NSMQ has
Okay, so I
finally
continue.
responded to
Find
us.
V, U,
So
M,
the
and C.
balloting, this for the balloting
Yes,
has
Isaac.
not been actually
So
communicated.
v
However,
is
the
equal
prelims
to
will start on the 20th
log
to
y
24th. Yeah,
M
the prelims will
is
start from the
equal
20th to 24th.
X
1/8 will continue from this
equal to
October. Yeah, but the
log
actual date for the balloting,
and
they
then
didn't really communicate. Yeah.
is equal to
So if you
log
visit
A.
the Twitter
That's
page of
incorrect.
NSMQ, I think they just posted that
You
recently.
also rang. You also
Yeah.
rang.
I hope that answers your question, Stephen.
V.
Again.